students. Last class we have to complete with the packing efficiency of simple cubic. So what is the packing efficiency of simple cube means yesterday 52.4% occupies by the particles in the given crystal lattice is called as a packing efficiency. So packing efficiency, after that empty space is there. So the atoms will be occupied means remaining one space is there. That space is called empty space. 100% means 100 minus 52.4. That remaining percentage is nothing but the empty space of simple cubic. That is. Last class we have to explain with the packing efficiency of simple cube. Now today we have to explain with the second derivation, that is called as a packing efficiency of body centered cube. Body centered cube. So generally first diagram important, after that derivation. Okay na? See carefully, this is the cube. Once again I am writing this one. This is the cube. Okay. This is also, so it is connected with this one. This is a cube. Now in this cube, this is called as a body diagram. This is called as a body diagram. This is called as a body diagram. This body diagram means here one sphere. This is called as a third sphere. This is called as a third one. 1, 2, 3. Now this is called as a R. Now read. This is called R. This is called R. This is called R. So R. 4R. And that means one diagonal is equal to how many radius is there? 4. 4R is there. That's why here simple diagram I am doing this one. Okay now? So this is a diagonal means a body diagonal, that is. Now today your derivation is packing efficiency of body centered cube. That's why in body diagonal 3 spheres touch with each other having 4R is there, that is. What is called? 4R. Here radius, here radius, here radius, here radius. And one body diagonal means 4R is there. What is called? 4R. That is. That's why it is simple diagram. Now I am writing with the biggest one. This is. Okay now? See carefully. So in this diagram, so now 3 spheres are there. R. Now here first triangle is this is BCD. Triangle BCD. Now you can take here what is called triangle BCD. Here the CD ki edge length A. Okay na? BD ki edge length B. So next BC ki edge length what is called A. Okay na? That's why first triangle BCD according to Pythagoras theorem. So BD square is equal. Now this is called BD square is equal BC square plus what is called CD square. Okay now? BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. That's why here BD square is equal to nothing but what is called BD. What is the equivalent? B. Therefore B square. Okay now? BC square plus BD square plus B square. BC square plus A square. CD square means A square. That is equal to what is called 2A square. A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. That's why triangle BCD, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BD square means B square. BC square is equal to A square. CD square is equal to A square. Therefore B square is equal Square root of 2 into A. This is called as a first triangle. BCD. Triangle BCD is equal to BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. B square is equal to A square plus A square. That is equal to 2A square. But B is equal to square root of 2 into A. That is equal to first triangle. Okay, now understand this one. So this is the from triangle BCD. Next, I take the next one is called ABD. ABD. Now BD means so B, excellent. DA means so A. BA means so C, excellent C. Okay. So BAC, BD, B. Next after that, AD means A. Excellent for this. Now triangle ABD. Okay na? Now BA square is equal to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square. Once again I am telling you, first triangle what is that? This is the triangle. So BCD triangle. Next triangle what is called? BAD or ABD triangle. In that ABD, BA square is equal BD square plus AD square. But BA square is equal to what is there? BA square. BA square is equal to C square is equal to BD square means so B square plus AD square is equal to A square. That's why here C square is equal to B square plus A square. B square, C square is equal to B square plus A square. That implies BA square is equal to BD square plus AD square. But here B square is equal to what is called 2A square according to this one. BA square is equal to 2A square. That implies C square is equal to 2A square plus A square. Therefore C square is equal to 3A square. C is equal to square root of 3 into A. That is equal. What is the C? Is equal to square root of 3 into A. Now understanding? Here in a body diagonal means body centered cubic lattice. There are two triangles are there. One is called triangle BCD, triangle ABD. Okay now? First triangle calculate the B value. Next triangle calculate the C value. But triangle ABD is equal C square is equal to B square plus A square. But here B square is equal to 2A square. That's why 2A square plus A square. That's why C square is equal to 3A square. C is equal to square root of 3 into A. Okay now? This is. But the length of body diagonal is C equal to 4R. Now see. This is called as a body center. So this is the body center means the length of body diagonal C is equal. This is C equal to R. Therefore body diagonal how much? 4R. Therefore C is equal to what is called answer? 4R. C and what is there? Square root of 3A. Square root of 3A is equal to 4R. A is equal to 4R by square root 3. This is called excellent. A is equal to 4R by square root 3. So, are you understanding? First two triangles. First triangle calculate the B value. Next Next value calculate with the C value, but length of the body diagonal is C equal to C equal to 4R, but C value square root of 3A. Based on that one, edge length A is equal to 4R by square root of 3. Okay, now that's right. Now volume of cube how much? Before what I am telling you, A cubed. Now A is what is called answer? 4R by square root 3 cubed. Therefore 64R cubed divided by 3 root 3. That is equal to volume of cube. Formula A cubed. According to this one, A value already. So 4R by square root 3. But A cubed. 4R by square root 3 whole cubed. 64R cubed divided by 3 root 3. Next. Volume of sphere, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now before what I have told you, what is the packing efficiency formula? Volume of cube divided by volume of sphere divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100. That's why, so volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube, but it is a body centered. Yesterday what I told? Simple cube. Simple cube means how many sphere? One sphere. But here, very important, the number of spheres or unit cell of BCC is equal corners plus body centered. Corners plus body centered. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, the number of spheres per unit cell BCC is equal to 1? 2. Therefore, volume of 2 spheres 2 into 4 by 3 pi R cubed. Okay, now? So, volume of 2 spheres is equal to 8 divided by 3 pi R cubed. Why? Because number of spheres is equal to 2. Here, corners plus body center, that is equal to 2. 2 into 4 by 3 pi R cubed. 8 by 3 pi R cubed, that is equal to volume of the spheres. Now, volume of 2 spheres is equal to 8 by 3 pi R cubed. But what is the packing efficiency? Volume of sphere divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100. Volume of spheres means 8 by 3 pi R cubed, and volume of cube means A cubed value of 64 R cubed divided by 3 root 3. R cubed cancel. 3 root 3 upside. 3 cancel. Total pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now, what is the packing efficiency? That is equal to 68% occupied by the particles in BCC. What is the empty space? That is equal to 32% is empty space present in the body centered cubic unit cell. So this is about the packing efficiency of body centered cubic. Okay, na? Once again, only this is the difficult part among the 3 derivations. Last class I am telling you. So first derivation simple cube already last class completed. This class is derivation for packing efficiency. Body centered cube. In the body centered means first we have to take a body diagonal. Here 3 spheres contribute. That body diagonal length is equal to C. C is nothing but 4R. So the length of body diagonal C equal to 4R. Okay, na? That's why first BCD triangle B square is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. That is equal to B is equal to square root of 2 into A. So next triangle ACD. Therefore AC. So here what is called BAD. Triangle BAD. Therefore BA square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Okay, na? That is equal to BD, BA, AD. BC means what is called? C square. C square is b square plus a square. But above, what is your b square value? 2a square. But b square is equal to a square. Apply this one. 2a square plus a square. C square is equal to a square. C is equal to square root of 3a. So, but length of polygon diagonal C is equal to the 4r. But C value square root of 3a is equal to 4r. A is equal to 4r by square root 3. This is called edge length. But volume of the cube A cube. A cubed means A value 4r by square root 3 cubed. 64r cubed divided by 3 root 3. But the number of spheres per unit cell for a BCC is equal to corners plus body center. Corners 8 into 1 by 8 plus body center 1, that is equal to 2 spheres in BCC. They are already previous. Their face center means 4, body center 2. Simple cube means last class 1. Therefore, volume of 2 spheres means 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, 8 by 3 pi r cube. But packing efficiency means volume of sphere divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100. 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 into r cube divided by 3 root 3 into 100. This total value calculate means what is the packing efficiency? 68% occupied by the particles. What is the empty space? 32%. Now here an object means what is the edge length formula for a body centered means? What is the formula? A is equal to 4r by square root 3. Yesterday what is I told? What is the edge length formula? A is equal to 2r. A is equal to 2r. Today A is equal to 4r by square root 3. What is the edge length of BCC? What is the edge length of the simple cube? Next, what is the edge length of face centered cube? R. CCP, OR, SCP. Next class you have to do. So now this is okay now. So that's why. So here very important derivation. What is the packing efficiency of body centered cubing? So derive the packing efficiency for simple or body centered cube. And last I think this year March you can do the simple formula. It is called simple cube given. So every year in PUC, so solid state alternate questions. 1 year simple cube, 1 year body centered, 1 year face centered, or in an SCP or CCP. It is a compulsory question. Okay na? This is the main 5 marks question. One sub question guarantee. Second question use the other question, sub question. Okay na? This is derivation for belongs to 3 marks. After other 2 marks use the other chapter means same thing in solid state. So other means next density formula, otherwise before how many number of particles. So next one is called as defects. Whatever the question, sub questions so different, but main question 3 marks question derivation and guarantee. These 3 derivation guarantee, 1 derivation is must and mandatory in PUC. Same thing in objective law, edge length asking, 8 formula asking. Okay na? This is about the packing efficiency of body centered cube. Next we have to derive the packing efficiency of face centered cubic or cubic close packing or hexagonal close packing SCP. Next class we have to derive. Thank you.